新闻一开始，先来看澳洲出名的风景区邦大海山坡，昨举办光明节犹太教庆典活动，所有人雄雄提请出来扫射，嘛造成上无16个人死亡，超过40个人受伤。
原本闹热的犹太节的光明节庆祝活动，伫澳洲悉尼有名的邦大海坡雄雄变款，连续几啊声的庆声，互现场民众惊吓青光丛。警方统计，迄当阵差不多有1000个人来参加，庆声连续弹差不多10分钟，数百个人惊吓四界走，尾去到海沙坡街仔路，也是附近建筑物内底。
It's kind of like I don't know, fish in a barrel. Like the guy had I think of what I've been told, he had an automatic rifle, big gun, standing on the bridge.
Everyone was just running, and there were bullets, and there were so many of them, and we were really scared.
警方判断2个涉案的枪手是爸仔囝的关系，50岁的老爸已经互警方甲弹死，24岁后生还在病院抢救，规个事件死亡人数又搁咧增加。
It's very sad duty this morning to report that 16 people have been confirmed as being killed, 15 innocent people and 1 perpetrator.
这场针对犹太社区的攻击发生伫光明节期间，也是以哈战争对2023年10月发生以来，澳洲境内反犹太事件上界严重的一届。代志发生了后，真济国领导人谴责也声援，以色列总理纳坦雅胡也有回应。
Anti-Semitism is a cancer. It spreads when leaders stay silent. It retreats when leaders act.
We will do whatever is necessary to stamp out anti-Semitism. It is a scourge, and we will eradicate it together.
警方表示，加在有一个热心的男性走出来，为庆祝遐甲枪抢落来，才互搁较侪人毋免互弹着。代志发生了后，各地民众发起点蜡条、煮糜活动，为伤者来祈祷，也为这件事故留下反思的时间。记者综合报道。